So I received this Roku Streambar. Let's open it up. This is really cute. And it's a soundbar, but it's about oh, that's less than 40 centimeters. Let's see how it looks inside. So this soundbar actually comes with 4 speakers built in, with 2 front-facing speakers and 2 side-facing speakers. These are for the surround or the fill sound. It has digital amplifier. Most of these things use digital amplifier by this time. Claims to have quad-core processor, powerful 4K and HDR streaming. So I don't know exactly what the new Ultra uses, but this is definitely the faster processor than my old Roku Ultra. So I can only assume that this has better or more responsive app choosing and app loading, and it should have better picture quality than the original Roku Ultra. Let's see what's inside. Quick start guide. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look at this. This is so tiny. So tiny. It has good heft to it, so you know it's not junk. This is so cute and nice looking at the same time. Cloth grill. Actually feels luxurious. Kind of the size of, well, maybe slightly larger than Subway foot-long sandwich. That's the HDMI here, USB input. There's a reset, full factory reset, optical cable, and power. Cute. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, okay. Oh, it comes with everything. Power supply, remote, even battery for the remote, power cord, HDMI cable. Nice. And what's this? Oh, even optical cable. Nice. So you buy this and you don't have to buy anything else. Everything's complete inside the box. So in order for me to test this speaker, I connected my Roku Streambar to my TV using eARC. I updated the firmware update to the latest version and we're ready to go. The responsiveness of this Roku Streambar is actually pretty good. And look at this. I want to open YouTube. Kablamo, it's there right away, right? Let's say I want to open my favorite channel. Boom. There. Alright. How about Apple TV? Kablamo. It's there. And the picture quality is on par with Roku Ultra, so that's pretty good. Moving on to the sound quality. Considering this is 160 Canadian dollars, there's really nothing to complain about. As an option, you can always add surround sound and subwoofer available from Roku to your soundbar. But as it stands by itself, it's a very decent soundbar with very good mid-range for dialogue clarity, very good stereo separation for something that tiny, and very capable of being loud. In my bedroom, for example, I only need to set the volume level to 36 out of the 100 available. And you can go to the speech clarity function to enhance the dialogue and also go to the volume mode to adjust the dynamic range from the show you're watching. You can choose one of the preset EQ and bass and treble control to make it fit to your liking. And to make it easier, here's my Roku Streambar recommended settings. So, to me, the Roku Streambar is a high value proposition. It's only 160 Canadian dollars, much lower in the United States, of course, and it gives great sound for the money, and it enhances your TV speakers quite tremendously. And add the Roku capability in it as well. It's great. And then if you want, one day you want to add speakers, you can. You want to add subwoofer, you can. Well, share your comments down below about this video and about Roku in general. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.